Hello, everybody. So, as they say, play is the work of childhood, and at Funzu, we take this to our heart. We are the pioneers in this industry for more than 40 years. Well, Funzu was started in a very small room. It was started by my father. We started with one room, one sewing machine, a scissor, and from there to shifting into a 1,000 square meter factory, then shifting into a 3,000 square meter factory, and now we're so proud to say that we've come such a long way that next year we'll be expanding to India's biggest soft toy factory, which is going to be 3 lakh square meter. We'll be making more than 25 to 30,000 pieces there every day. We've seen this entire journey and this graph where the soft toys were just known for teddy bears to today, where everything that you can imagine is turned into a soft toy by our team. When I'm talking about Funzu's products, we believe that our kids needs to be educated. What else could be a better way to teach your kids their creativity, the values, the spirituality through soft toys? So keeping in mind the same, we've launched God deities this time. We've launched Krishna. We've launched Lord Shiva, which has already become such a huge hit in the market that even before starting its production, we are loaded with lakhs of pieces of orders for these god deities. And it's gonna be such a great achievement when we see our kids playing and absorbing our spiritual values. And if our soft toys could be a medium for that, it's gonna mean the world to us. It's slowly become our passion. We make sure that all the toys here adhere to the safety standards. It's a matter of immense pride to us that Funzu is the first manufacturer in India who has ventured into battery operated soft toy without having any mechanical or technical background. We dared to take up this challenge, and it's a matter of such immense pride that we believe in Make in India so closely that all the components of our battery operated toys are made here in India, from the tiniest screw to the most sophisticated and complicated electrical part. We are making here in India just for two purposes. One, to make sure that whatever goes in our kids' hand comes through us. We don't want to take any chances with our kids. So to make sure that all the toys pass those quality standards. And secondly, we truly believe in enhancing our own community. So this way, even the local artisans, the supporting industries also grow with us, which is so important to us. And especially after our respected Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji conveyed on Mann Ki Baat that toy industry needs a boost, that has given us such immense boost that we aim to go up and up, higher and higher, and there's going to be no stopping. Thank you so much.